Chevrolet Cruze strut assembly kit unboxing. Front shock absorber assembly display with spring tower top. Rear shock absorber display. Chevrolet Cruze shock absorber kit installation and removal tools. Large Torque wrench. Large electric wrench. Medium-sized ratchet wrench. Large long extension bar. 22mm wrench. 19mm wrench. Ball-peen hammer. Large 18mm deep socket. Large 19mm deep socket. Large 21mm deep socket. Large 24mm shallow socket. Large 14mm shallow socket. T50 bit. 6mm square interface. 24mm socket. 15mm socket. Remove the wheel hub cap. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen wheel hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. We'll use a 19mm deep socket with an electric wrench to remove the wheel hub bolts. Remove the wheel hub. Remove the brake oil line and place it aside. Use an 18mm deep socket to loosen the sway bar link mounting bolts. Remove the sway bar link. Use an 18mm deep socket with an electric wrench to remove the shock absorber from the lug. Use the ball-peen hammer to remove the shock absorber fixing bolt. Knock out the bolt to remove it. Remove the bolt. Separate the shock absorber from the lug. Open the hood. Prop up the hood. Remove the protection cover from the shock absorber, tower top bolt, shock absorber, tower top bolt, removal and installation. We need to use specialized tools. Use a 24mm socket with a T50 internal hex bit for removal and installation. Remove the nut. Remove the tower top cap. Remove the shock absorber. Front shock absorber assembly display. Prepare for shock absorber installation. First, tear off the sticker. Remove the tower top bolt. Remove the limit cover. Begin installing the shock absorber. Install the limit cover and install the tower top bolt. Use a 24mm socket with an electric wrench to tighten the tower top bolt. Use a 24mm socket with a torque wrench to tighten the tower top bolt. Tighten torque 80 Newton meters. Prepare to install the lug and shock absorber. Put on the bolt. Install the brake oil line. Put on the nut. Use an 18mm deep socket with an electric wrench to tighten the shock absorber and lug fixing bolts. Use an 18mm deep socket to tighten the shock absorber and lug fixing bolts. Tighten torque 100 Newton meters. Install the sway bar link. Put on the nut. Use an 18mm deep socket with an electric wrench to tighten the sway bar link fixing nut. Use an 18mm socket with a torquer wrench to tighten the sway bar link fixing nut. Tighten torque 70 Newton meters. Install the wheel hub. Put on the nut. Use a 19mm socket and electric wrench to tighten the wheel hub bolts. Put on the tower top bolt protection cap. Prepare to close the hood. Remove the prop rod. Close the hood. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm socket with a torque wrench to tighten the wheel hub bolts. Tighten torque 140 Newton meters. Install the wheel hub cap. Wheel hub cap removal. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen wheel hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the wheel hub bolts. Remove the wheel hub. Use an 18mm socket to remove the tower top bolts and body fixing bolts. Use a 21mm socket to remove the shock absorber and torsion beam fixing bolts. Remove the shock absorber. Use a specialized tool to remove the tower top bolts. Use a 15mm deep socket with a 6mm square interface to remove the tower top bolts. Remove the nut. Remove the tower top. Remove the dust cover and buffer rubber. New shock absorber display. Next, assemble the new shock absorber. First, install the dust cover and buffer rubber. Put on the tower top. Put on the tower top bolts. Use a 14mm socket with an electric wrench to tighten the tower top bolts. Install the shock absorber. Put on the shock absorber and torsion beam fixing bolts. Put on the shock absorber tower top and body fixing bolts. Use an 18mm socket with an electric wrench to tighten the tower top and body fixing bolts. Use an 18mm socket with a long extension bar and torque wrench to tighten the tower top and body fixing bolts. Tighten torque 80 Newton meters. Install the buffer rubber and dust cover into place. Use a 21mm socket with a torque wrench to tighten the shock absorber and torsion beam fixing bolts. Tighten torque 120 Newton meters. Prepare to install the wheel hub. Put on the wheel hub bolts. Use a 19mm socket with an electric wrench to tighten the wheel hub bolts. Lower the vehicle. We'll use a 19mm socket with a torque wrench to tighten the wheel hub bolts. Tighten torque 140 Newton meters. Install the wheel hub protection cap.